Hi, in this video I'll answer the 3 most important questions about SAP AppGyver in a nutshell. What is AppGyver, what can you do with it, and why do we need AppGyver at all? AppGyver is the world's first professional no-code platform that makes it possible to build apps for all end devices, for example smartphones, desktops, browsers, or even TVs. And all of this without a single line of code. That means AppGyver makes it possible to build complicated apps without all the programming effort that usually goes into such applications. This can be done using countless logic and user interface building blocks, all of which are accessible via the component market. This library is constantly being expanded because of the community aspects. That means that everyone can make the components they have created available to other programmers. Now the question is, why do we need no code at all when there are plenty of capable programmers out there? And there are 2 very simple answers to that: time and money. To be more precise, markets and business challenges are changing faster and faster, which leads to high pressure on companies worldwide, which leads to an enormous programming effort for software. In addition, the variety of software within companies is immeasurable. According to the Wall Street Journal, large companies have an average of 129 different applications already in use. This number has increased by 68% since 2015. With no code, we can respond to the fast-moving market as changes or new apps for new conditions can be done in a fraction of the time. I hope you found this video helpful. Feel free to leave us a like, comment or subscribe so you don't miss out our AppGyver tutorials and news in the future. Thank you for watching. Bye.